As you can see, this ductwork isn't insulated because insulation is going to get wrapped around all of this. But in areas in the attic, which we'll look up towards next, the ductwork has insulation wrapped. It's insulated duct. And that's important because your attic isn't always insulated and it's not always conditioned space. So if you have the system, your HVAC system, cooling all the air in your home and then distributing all the air in your home through an extremely hot attic, that's not efficient at all. So what happens is, in areas where there isn't a conditioned space, we have to go the extra step and make sure the ductwork and all of the supply lines and return vents are all insulated properly so that the air traveling through them doesn't heat up or cool down when you don't want it to.